Wondering how to look presentable without wearing heavy makeup? So let's go. Skip the foundation and apply BB cream. After moisturizing your face, it will give sheer coverage to your face. Bloom the eyebrows with eyebrow pencil. Apply kajal only on your outer corner of the eye. It will make your eyes to look bigger. Now apply blush. This will make your face to look glowy and fresh but avoid too much color for the office look. Pick these nude lipstick as a beginner. The first one is in the pink shade and giving it a very fresh look. The second one is also in the pink tone, but it is a matte finish and it can last for up to 8 hours, so perfect for the office day. The third one has the shade in the orange tone, very fresh and give little boldness to your look. Last one is my favorite and has the light pink tone, which is perfect for the office day or college day. It literally gives the no makeup look yet presentable at the same time. Let me know which one of these shade would you apply for your office look. मिलते हैं next video में. Bye.